Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we'll talk about Arcade, the Legend of Om project. Along with that, recently KuCoin has announced a few hours back about their burning drop event of this particular token. So we'll cover everything in this video, how you can participate in the burning drop event in the KuCoin and get this Arcade token before listing. And at the end of the video, if you don't want to do any investment, if you want to get some of these tokens without any investment, I'll show you one airdrop in which you can participate and get some of this Arcade token even before listing. So everything will be covered in this video. Watch this video till end. So before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like target is 200 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video, guys. So first thing, what is Arcade? So Arcade is a play to earn game. So it is a free multiplayer online strategy game which will reward the players for playing the game in the form of cryptocurrency. So it is going to be a free to play to earn game in which you need to select some of the you need to recruit some heroes from the 3 different classes which are available in this particular game, and you need to fight for the city of Om. So in this particular story will be behind the Om city, and you need to fight in the city, and then you will be increasing your loot of Arcade and you will be able to get rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. So now that is the backdrop of the game. So if you see the features of the game, there are multiple features, like there are 3 different classes where users or players can select and start playing the game. So these are the 3 characters. So you can see the game graphics, they are really cool. And then you have this clan option also. You can join in a clan and you can participate along with the clan, and you can increase your rewards in the Om city. And then you have the play to earn functionality. We have the abilities also. So each hero will have a different ability, and each ability will be like a card and it can be traded on the marketplace. So that is also one good thing while playing the game. If you are getting a good abilities, then you can trade them in the marketplace and you can earn some rewards. And finally, coming to the game modes, they also have the player versus player versus environment, and soon they are going to coming up with the story mode game also. So now this is all about the game. So if you see the investor backing, this particular product is backed by Evers Capital, Dex Tools, X Ventures, and multiple big VCs are already backing this particular project. And if you see the gameplay screenshot, so these are the gameplay screenshots. You can see this is the NFT character which will be having a weapon and armors. On the right top, you can see the Arcade token, how much tokens were earned by playing the game. And we have the shopping marketplace icon, then leaderboard, daily rewards, and multiple other things. So each hero, if you select the hero, they will be having a different abilities. If you can buy, or if you have those NFTs, you can equip them to the hero. And each hero will also have a different weapons also. You can select the weapon and you can increase your player strength. So then this is the game screen. You can see these are the one versus one battle, PvP battle. So where you have the cards on your side and the cards of the other enemy, and you have the health and stamina on the top, and based on the battle you will be getting rewards. So now that is all about the project and the gameplay look. Now let's talk about the token sale. So this particular token is coming with a total circulating supply of 200 million tokens, and it's coming with an initial circulating supply of 23.23 million tokens. And this particular product is going to list at a price of $0.1. So you can see each token, one Arcade token is $0.01. So in this article, I think some mistake is there. So it is an old article, but right now tokenomics is changed. So if you see that total market cap is 23 million is a circulating supply into $0.01 is a listing price, which it's coming with less than $250,000 initial market cap. So that is very less. So you need to get these tokens so that you can do easily good performance. So if you see that now it is going to have Arcade project is going to have a burning drop event on KuCoin platform. So to participate in this, I'll show you how you can participate in this. So there are 3 different pools where you can participate. So you can contribute either USDT, Ethereum, or KCS. So based on your total amount of contribution and total contribution to the pool, you will be allocated with some small portion of the tokens of the project. So if you see the USDT Arcade pool, it is a 20 days lock-in period. All the pools are 20 days locked in. So if you are first thing is you should have this KuCoin account. If you don't have the KuCoin account, my referral link will be in the description below. You can click that and you can register for this KuCoin, and then you can head over to this page lock drop event. I'll post the link in the description. Here you can see there are 3 pools, KCS for Arcade 20 days, USDT 20 days, and Ethereum 20 days. You can select any one of them, and here you can see the timer. It starts in around 2 hours from the video when I'm recording this video. And then once you go to the screen, first thing is there is an individual cap also. There is an individual cap and a total cap. So individual hard cap is 2000 for USDT, 0.5 for Ethereum and 120 for KCS. And then we have this hard cap of the complete pool is 1.5 million USDT, and these are the different numbers. So before the pool completes, you have to enter into the pool so that you will get some small portion of the allocation. So now all it is, before to be prepared for the sale, you just go to this particular page, and here you need to load the funds into the wallet and keep it ready. So to do that, you just click on transfer, then a pop-up will come. Here you can select KuCoin main account or trading account. I have some USDT in my trading account, just select that, and you have to move those funds to PoolX account. So the maximum cap is 2000 USDT per individual, so I am moving 2000 USDT and I am confirming it. So once I do that, you can see here I got 2000 USDT here. So I just need to enter the amount here for USDT, so I can put all, and then you will get a button here once the timer completes, and just click on join, and your 2000 USDT will be joined into the pool. So you should be very fast. This pool will be filled within minutes, so you should be very fast. And after the pool is completed, then they will be having another burning drop event with the PoolX token. So PoolX token, you can burn some amount of PoolX token. So you can see this, if you burn this PoolX tokens, you will be getting some amount of multiplier into the your allocation, and you will be getting bigger allocation. And most importantly, reward distribution will be 20% on the listing time, and remaining 20%, remaining 80% will be in the batches of 20% after 1 month in every month. So that you need to keep in mind. You will not be getting all the tokens at a time. It will be 20% monthly. So now that's all about the burning drop event on KuCoin. So if you don't want to do any investment and you want to get some of these tokens, then Arcade project is conducting an airdrop in a Telegram. So I'll share the Telegram bot link in the description below. All you need to do is just need to click the Telegram bot. You need to interact with the bot. You need to follow Telegram, Twitter, and submit your details with BEP20 address, and they will be selecting 1000 winners, and they'll be giving a small allocation of tokens. So it is completely free airdrop, so definitely try to participate in this airdrop. So KuCoin projects are really doing good. So recent KuCoin listing project has done almost 180x for the IDO price. So don't miss this particular project. Definitely try in the burning drop event, or you can even participate in the airdrop event. So now that's all guys, that is all about today's video about Arcade the Legend of Ohm. So if you like this video, click the like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Jai Hind.